is my first TikTok. So TikTok, I hate to break it to you, it might be the beginning of the end because I'm finally on TikTok. But I was thinking, what am I gonna do for my first TikTok? And at the same time, I was cleaning out my closet and I realized I have all these amazing dresses that I am not gonna wear this season because we're in the midst of a pandemic. Decided is I'm going to wear my dresses and I'm going to make recipes, and today it is going to be mashed potatoes. So mashed potatoes, Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and of course you cannot have Thanksgiving without mashed potatoes. Ingredients are super simple. Always Yukon Gold potatoes. These are the very best ones for the prettiest potatoes. We have a couple things of dairy here. I try to be dairy free, but today we are going to use some full-on whole milk, some sour cream, and of course real butter, and some half and half too. Sound like a lot of dairy, but guys, you just gotta go big or you gotta go home. But I am trying to make it a little healthier by using oat milk. But every single recipe for mashed potatoes starts with a couple of very basic things, and the first thing is, besides your potatoes, is a cold pot of water. You heard it, you are not dropping your potatoes into a boiling hot pot of water. You start with a cold pot of water and you put your potatoes in. Put a bunch of salt into the pot of water, and then we're gonna peel our potatoes and throw them directly in there. Potatoes are peeled, they are on the stove. You're gonna crank the heat up to high, and then once it starts boiling, you're gonna crank the heat down to medium, and you're gonna let the potatoes simmer for about 25 minutes because you want very soft cooked potatoes. So the dairy is really important. Your liquids are super important to make a good mashed potato. We are gonna do about 3/4 of a cup of oat milk because, like I said, I'm trying to make these a little dairy light. We are going to do about 3/4 of a cup of whole milk. And then we're gonna save the half and half to add to the potatoes directly once they are mashed. And I never add salt directly to my potatoes. I actually add it to the milk mixture. And so I'm gonna put the salt in. It's really to taste, but you want your potatoes to be salty enough so you don't have to add salt to them. And then you can warm this up in the oven, but I just use the microwave. I microwave this for about 45 seconds, and then when I'm ready to add this to the potatoes, this is also very nice and warm. Our potatoes are steaming as hot as you can see, and that is incredible. So once your potatoes are riced, and look how beautiful these potatoes are, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add your fat, which is, guys, your butter. Guys, potatoes do not get better than this. Here is your mashed potato, but this is Galavante. We are not yet done. Thanks for being with me for my very first TikTok, and this is mashed potato.